drivers behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, go!
Robots on the move here in match number 59. 3 blue robots all approach their reef. One of the corals slides out, but not quite finding a place to score. As time counts down, it looks like we've got 3 blue robots off of that starting zone. It looks like for the Red Alliance, we've got 2 of them. We'll take a look at our scores coming out of auto. We have a Red Alliance advantage, 13-9 so far in match number 59. And the first few moments of the match are 3v3 offense for both alliances, although we do see that the Chicago-style bot dogs for the Red Alliance, they have not quite moved from their initial position. And with that, some movement from Ninjaneers, they cross through their barge zone over to play some defense against the Red Alliance. It looks like they are focusing, at least initially, on pushing some algae kind of out of their way, and then they cross back toward the blue side of the field. Their alliance partner, Y Fighters from Pontiac, reaching up to L4 alongside Golden Bots from Sterling. Both of those robots able to have elevator lifts all the way up to level 4 of the reef to score 5 quick points for the Blue Alliance. Over on red, Rockford Robotics 2039, they are facing some defense from Ninjaneers. A bit of a push between those 2 sets of bumpers on the red side of the field, but Metal Cow Robotics unimpeded, cycling very quickly between the coral station and one side of the reef. They line up on a coral they've already scored, but do a quick shift to the right, drop it off for 5 points. That's the Red Alliance now trailing by about 10 points. But it looks like they've got the offense to make it happen, and still some scoring potential up on L4 of the Red Alliance reef. Ninjaneers still trying to play some defense. They've got one of those coral stations very well guarded. It looks like Rockford Robotics doing their best to keep Ninjaneers out of the way of Metal Cow. The Red Alliance still down 1 robot, but Blue doing their best to keep up the offense as much as they can. Blue Alliance leads 73-58 with 30 seconds remaining in qualification match number 59. Sterling's Golden Bots lift up, looking for 5 more points. We've got some no algae in the net with the final 20 seconds of the match coming up now for the 6 robots on the field. Chicago-style bot dogs look like they are just barely in that Red Alliance barge zone. Joining them is going to be Metal Cow Robotics. They grab hold of a deep cage, try to climb on up, and we'll see where all these robots land as that match 59 now. Blue Alliance is victorious. They take the win 101-82. Taking a look at the outcome of that match, 3 RP for the Blue Alliance for the win and the barge ranking points.